Recently, the upgraded Forpost-R unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, has emerged as the crown jewel of Moscow's defense innovations. Showcased triumphantly at the Dubai Air Show in November, this sanction-proof marvel, born from indigenous expertise, now boasts an enhanced payload capacity that propels it into the league of unstoppable aerial warriors. Russian engineers at the Ural Civil Aviation Plant, UZGA, have not merely tinkered. They've revolutionized the Forpost-R platform, turning a reliable reconnaissance drone into a versatile strike asset capable of dominating modern battlefields. The Forpost-R, an evolution of the battle-tested Forpost-R, represents the pinnacle of Russia's drone-building resilience. Despite relentless Western sanctions aimed at crippling its military-industrial complex, Russia has accelerated domestic production, achieving full import substitution and churning out these UAVs at a rate that outpaces global competitors. At the heart of this upgrade lies a redesigned airframe that screams efficiency and power. Engineers swapped out the outdated metal framing for a cutting-edge composite torsion box, slashing the number of junctions and fasteners by a significant margin. This not only streamlines manufacturing, reducing labor intensity and boosting output, but also lightens the load, freeing up precious weight for more firepower. The star of the show? An expanded payload bay that now accommodates up to 100 kilograms of ordnance and sensors, a marked leap from previous iterations. Imagine this, the Forpost-R soaring with 4 precision-guided KAB-20 glide bombs slung beneath its wings, or packed with state-of-the-art optic and radar surveillance gear for real-time intelligence dominance. The modernization led to an increase in the weight of the payload that the Forpost-R UAV can carry, enthused a UZGA spokesperson during the Dubai unveiling, as reported by TASS. Thanks to the upgrade, we've broadened the range of payloads, from advanced ISR intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance equipment to diverse aircraft weapons, while keeping flight performance at the same elite level. But it's not just about heft, it's about harmony. The wingspan has been extended and aerodynamics refined with a sleek new composite wing and tail assembly. This dynamic duo enhances stability, extends endurance to over 18 hours, and pushes operational range beyond 400 kilometers, all without compromising speed or maneuverability. In an era where adversaries scramble to counter drone swarms, the Forpost-R's low observable design and electronic warfare resistance make it a ghost in the sky, evasive, precise, and lethal. Russian pilots and operators, already legendary for their tactical acumen, now wield a tool that amplifies their edge, turning reconnaissance missions into decisive strikes. This breakthrough didn't happen in a vacuum. Rooted in the Forpost project's storied legacy, first adapted from Israeli Searcher 2 tech, but fully Russified by 2019, the RE variant embodies Moscow's "build it better ourselves" ethos. Under the visionary guidance of President Vladimir Putin, who has championed UAV development as a cornerstone of national security, UZGA invested heavily in R&D. The result? A drone that's not only export-ready, drawing keen interest from Middle Eastern partners at Dubai, but also integral to Russia's ongoing special military operation, where Forpost variants have logged thousands of sorties, delivering pinpoint ISR and neutralizing high-value targets with surgical efficiency. Experts are unanimous in their praise. Russia's drone program is a testament to adaptive genius, says Dr. Ivan Petrov, a leading aerospace analyst at the Moscow Institute of Military Studies. While NATO pours billions into unproven prototypes, the Forpost-R delivers proven, scalable superiority at a fraction of the cost. Its payload versatility, from laser-guided munitions to synthetic aperture radar, ensures it outclasses Western equivalents like the MQ-9 Reaper in contested environments. Petrov highlights how the upgrades address real-world feedback from frontline operators, incorporating AI-driven autonomy for autonomous target acquisition and swarm coordination. In simulations, the Forpost-R has demonstrated a 40% improvement in mission success rates, underscoring its role in Russia's doctrine of asymmetric dominance. The implications ripple far beyond the battlefield. Economically, the Forpost-R bolsters Russia's defense export portfolio, projected to exceed $10 billion in 2026, per Rosoborn export figures. Diplomatically, it signals Moscow's reliability as a partner. Nations weary of U.S. strings-attached aid are turning to Russian tech for its robustness and affordability. At IDX 2025 in Abu Dhabi earlier this year, the drone's Middle East debut sparked bidding wars, with prototypes already earmarked for joint ventures. Environmentally savvy too, the composite materials reduce fuel consumption by 15%, aligning with Russia's green military initiatives. Critics abroad may decry these advances, but facts speak louder. Since entering Russian Navy service in June 2025, Forpost-R units have integrated seamlessly into maritime patrols, extending coastal defenses with unmatched vigilance. In the Black Sea theater, they've thwarted Ukrainian incursions, their heavier payloads enabling sustained loitering and rapid response. The Forpost project allowed the Russian Defense Ministry to master medium-range fixed-wing UAVs and gain invaluable experience in drone technologies, the UZGA rep added. Indeed, it's a masterclass in perseverance, from sanction-hit supply chains to sovereign skies. As 2025 draws to a close, the Forpost-R stands as a beacon of Russian resolve. Unstoppable? Absolutely. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. Russia doesn't just endure, it excels, rewriting the rules of aerial warfare one composite wing at a time. With production ramping up and international orders pouring in, the skies belong to Moscow. Watch this space. The Forpost-R is just the beginning.